All right, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this channel today, we are going to be designing a product flyer or brand for Pringles. I believe most of us know the brand Pringles. Okay, and I believe that by the end of this video, you will be able to design a product brand, or you'll be able to learn the basics of designing for product brand and flyer. All right, so let's get right onto it. So the first thing first is that we're going to be creating a new page. We're going to be creating a new page. All right, so the width is 4 width, then height, the height is 5 in inches, the dimensions in inches. Okay, so it is 4 by 5 inches. All right, so we're going to be creating one. Okay, so I have designated a place, a page where all the files and all the materials that I will be using for this tutorial, I have set it here. Okay, and then you'll get the file under the description box, so you can change the description box to get these files. Okay, so here is a page, and then the first thing first is to design the background, the colors of the background. All right, so the colors of the background will go over here, then we have the gradient. Okay, so we change the presets. Let's see. Okay, all right, so since the brand is purple, okay, so let's just get a purple color. Let's get a purple color. Okay, okay, I think this is good enough. Then we have the purple color. Let's get the lighter purple. Let's get the lighter purple. Okay. Let's make this go darker. Okay. Then let's change the style to radial. Let's reverse it. All right. So I believe that we've gotten our background color. So the next thing is to get the texture for the background. Okay. So we have the texture here. We have the grunge background. The grunge background, we insert our grunge background here. Okay, so the grunge background is here, and as you can see, it's on soft light, and then the opacity is 68%. All right, so let's get right onto that. Um, the next thing is the texture. We have another texture also that has to do with fruits, that has to do with fruits, vegetables, and all of that. So I titled it here as 007. Okay, as you can see, there are changes here. So it has been, we can see the texture of the background. We can see this is the texture of the background. This is what we're looking for. All right, and then we now have the product itself. We have the product itself, the Pringles product itself. So let's insert the Pringles product itself. Okay, all right, so let it be at the middle of the page. So let's increase it a little bit to give it that boldness. All right, so this is at the middle of the page. All right, so let's insert the logo, this Pringles logo. Let's insert the Pringles logo. We have the Pringles logo here. Yes, so we have the the Pringles itself. Let's have the Pringles itself. This is the Pringles. You can download this too uh, on um, on Google. Just search for Pringles PNG. It will bring this to you. So let's have the Pringles here. Okay. Then we will have to duplicate it. Control J. Let's increase it a little bit here. Let's increase it. Okay. And then let's blur it. I want us to blur it like the one we saw here. Okay, so we're going to be, yes, so like the one we saw here. So we're going to blur it. Okay, so we're going to give it a blur. So we have the filter, we have the blur, we have the Gaussian blur. Okay, so 9.0. I feel that this 9.0 is okay. So let's have this 9.0, and then we have the pepper. This pepper, we have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. Drawing it. It will be at the back of the product. So it's going to be at the back of the product. Let's duplicate it. Okay. Let's duplicate it. Let's change the direction. Yes. So okay. Then what next? We are bringing the tomatoes. We are putting it on there. Okay. This will be at the front. Okay. This will be at the front. With the pepper to also be at the front. To also be at the front. Then we now have another crotch brand. So we are going to be reducing the three. Okay. All right. So this has been reduced, and our work is not finished yet. So what we're going to be doing is that we are going to duplicate the product. We are going to duplicate all of these tomatoes, the pepper, and the crunches. We're going to be duplicating them. Okay. Um, I'm going to be duplicating them. Okay. And then we select them. Control T. We select them, and then we change their direction, which is flip vertical. Okay. Then we take them down. The purpose of this is to create a mirror, um is to create a mirror reflection the um of the product itself. Okay, so the first thing first is that we're going to be um the kappa. We are going to be an overlay style. No. Yes, let's okay, let's have the normal first. Then we have, let's reduce the opacity. Okay, let's reduce the opacity, and yeah, I think we are good to go with this. Yes, I believe we are good to go with this. Then let's have some gradients. Okay. um okay, I think this is what we need in this flyer or in this design. So I believe that this is the end, and I hope that you've been able to learn something. So just drop a comment if you were okay with this tutorial. Just subscribe, like, share, and God has blessed you.